Welcome to the world of ABC Trainings. PLC SCADA. At ABC Trainings, we offer a wide range of training programs meticulously designed to help you master PLC SCADA. Our comprehensive courses include certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma programs. Our programs cover all aspects of PLC SCADA, empowering you with the essential skills needed for industrial automation, control systems, and real-time data monitoring. Here are some of the core functionalities you learn in our courses: a comprehensive PLC and SCADA symbol library, automatic tag generation and device mapping for efficient setup, creating and managing circuit libraries for optimal system design, real-time error detection and system diagnostics for precision and reliability, HMI and GUI design for an intuitive user interface experience, PLC programming and ladder logic for efficient control strategies, data acquisition and monitoring using SCADA systems, alarming and event handling for proactive response. Enroll in the PLC SCADA course of your choice today and unleash the full potential of this powerful automation technology. For more information and to enroll, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.